See, it's 7:30 and I'm going home, but it's raining so heavy. It's raining so heavy. Under the rain. I'm going home. We just have to cross this road right now. Hi! Oh my goodness! Oh my God! These vehicles don't want me to cross. Luckily, I have this my half umbrella here, so it's going to save the day. Okay, so I can finally cross. No, come on, let me to the top. SOK has called me like God knows how many times, but said she was going to bring an umbrella, but I told her I have this half umbrella here from the house, so she doesn't have to come. No, I'm not going to. I can finally cross now. Cross over to this side of the road. Oh, I'm walking home. Thank God for today. I give God all the glory for today. For today. Alright guys, I have to cross another road, so bye. Finally home and it's still raining. I am home. It's okay. I'm home. Thank you, ma. I'm like, give me water, ma. Wash, ma, for my leg. My leg don't wet. Thank you. Thank you. She helped me with my bag. So I need to wash my leg. Oh. Wash my leg. It's okay. Come the call me. This I go wet. It's okay. It's okay international. Your baby girl is back.
Where is my surprise? Where is my surprise?
Let me say no. Let me say no.
This is my surprise. Me, I go carry am.
Let me say no. Oh my God! It's okay for me, Pierre. Oh my goodness. See, she bought me another avocado, Pierre. Oh, plenty, oh, plenty, Pierre.
See people when they dance.
It's okay about me, Pierre.
You are my lovely daughter now.
Avocado. I mean, I brought something for you. This is not doing. I know how to give person gifts. You think it's only you? You know, I like better ones. Not you, better ones.
Thank you.
Thank you,
God
sir.
bless you.
Yeah, you're welcome.